If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, fabric collage artist, or journal maker who loves rich textures and earthy palettes, here's a look at what's coming next week. Every Tuesday, I release a new fabric bundle, and each Thursday, I share a sneak peek so you can get first look and plan ahead. Here's a close-up of a few of the fabric cuts included in next week's play bundle. I'll reveal a loopy textured boucle, a lightweight silk, a faux leather, and more. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this sneak peek. Subscribe, and I'll see you Tuesday for the full release.